Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today my project is about how to make these two beautiful greeting cards for Teachers Day using weaving technique. So I will share two techniques here to create beautiful backgrounds for your cards along with the lovely paper quilling flowers in the combination of purple and blue. Isn't it looking very pretty? And you can create these unique cards for your teachers in upcoming Teachers Day. So without any delay, let's get started. I'm starting with my pattern 1. For this I'm taking white cardstock which is 18 by 6 centimeters and also taking some strips in pink and white color. The width of the strip is 1 centimeter and length is little extra than the base. Then first I am going to attach pink strips with the base cardstock from top like this. So this is done. Now rotate the sheet and fold all the pink strips towards the front part. Then on the other side I am going to attach white color strips. This is also done. Then we have to fold all the white strips as well in the front. And then it's time to start the weaving work. So alternatively we need to weave the white strips like this. Now below the white we have to leave the space, then one white, then one pink, white, pink, white, and we have the beautiful checkers pattern. It's super duper easy. So if you want to start with the weaving technique, this is the checkers pattern you can start with, and it gives beautiful background each time, and the width is all up to you. If you want more broader, you can take broader strips, or if you want thinner pattern, you can take 5 mm strips or 3 mm strips as well. So I'm just continuing it till the end. And there is one more pattern. If you don't want to add white strips on other side, then you can just swipe the strip from bottom like this, pass it through the alternate strip and just pull it towards the top part. So I think this is the much easier way than to attach the strip already. We can simply pass it through the strips like this. So any kind of way you can choose, and after adding all the strips the pattern will look like this. It is looking gorgeous. Then I am taking one silver mirror cardstock which is 18 by 6 centimeters, and from all four sides I am just marking at 0.5 centimeters and creating one window. Now I am cutting this window using my paper cutter. And the window is ready. Then I am sticking this window on my pattern paper. and the beautiful card base is ready. Then I'm taking 16 by 18 centimeter white color cardstock, folding it from center and then sticking my weaved pattern on top of this. So this is done. Then it's time to do the quilling work. For this I'm taking dark purple color strip in 3 mm, just creating 3 loops in increasing order. Then on both the sides I am making 2 loops in little decreased order and wrap this whole petal using remaining strip for one round and cut the excess strip, secure the end using glue, and the petal is ready. Now I am joining total 6 petals together and making the flower. Then for the center of the flower I am taking one strip of light purple color and making one tight coil and adding it on the flower. So flower is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more flower. Then for the next filler flower, here I am taking half strip of light purple color in 3 mm, making one tight teardrop shape, connecting total 6 petals together, and flower is ready. Then for the center I am taking half strip of white color in 3 mm, creating one tight coil and putting it exactly in the center. The flower is done. Similarly, I have prepared one more flower with the 6 petals and 2 more flowers with the 4 petals. So cute. Then taking back my card base and I'll start arranging all my flowers one by one, adding the stem using sap green color 3 mm strips. Like this. Then to create some grass in the bottom, here I am creating total 6 to 7 loops using sap green color strip. Just pinching the petal like this so you have the grass. Now I am sticking the grass in the bottom. Then to make leaf, here I am taking 1/4 strip of sap green color and 1/4 strip of dark sap green color and creating one leaf shape. Similarly, I have already prepared some leaves, so I am putting these leaves here and there randomly between the stems. And then for the finishing touch, I am sticking purple color strip on both sides of the card border. And then at the end I am adding sentiment, best teacher, in the bottom. and the super gorgeous greeting card with the first pattern is ready. Then I am proceeding for my pattern 2. This is little complicated than before. So for this I am taking 7.5 by 15 centimeter white cardstock, and for this pattern I am taking 5 mm strip in light green color. So just like we did before, here I am sticking light green strip first with the base. Then folding it in the front part. Like this, and then taking 5 mm strip in white color, passing top on 1 light green strip, under 2 light green strip, again top on 1 strip, under 2 strip, top on 1 strip, under 2 strips, and repeat this till the end. So the first layer is done. Then for the next row I am passing under 2 strips, top of 1 strip, under 2 strips, top of 1 strip, under 2 strips, top of 1 strip, and repeating it till the end. Then for the third row I am passing under 1 strip, top of 1 strip, under 2 strips, top of 1 strip, under 2, top 1, under 2, top 1, and repeating till the end. And that is how we have created our diagonal pattern, and we have to repeat the same process till the end. So we will get the beautiful white diagonal pattern. You just need to follow the top 3 rows after each 3 rows, and you will get this beautiful design. So I have reached to the last row, and then I am securing all the light green strips backward. And the beautiful panel with the weaved diagonal pattern is ready. I have added double-sided tape on backside of this. Just burnish it nicely, and then I'm taking the card base, which is 34 by 9.5 centimeters. I have folded from top to bottom. Then taking gold mirror cardstock, which is 9 by 16.5 centimeters, and I'm going to stick it on the base, and then I'll attach my weaved pattern paper. So the base for card is ready. Then to start with filling flower, here I am taking 1/4 strip of light blue color and making one bended leaf shape. Similarly, I have prepared one more bended leaf shape. Then I am taking half strip of medium blue color and making one teardrop shape. Then combining all 3 petals together and wrapping it using medium blue color strip. So the petal is ready. Now I am joining total 4 petals together and creating the flower. Then for the center of the flower I am taking half strip of dark blue color and making one tight coil and sticking it on top of the flower. So this is done. Similarly, we need total 3 flowers. Then to make some fillers, here I am taking 1/4 strip of light blue color and making one leaf shape. With the similar method, I have already prepared some more leaves. Then taking one piece of strip, add glue on both sides of this and start attaching these leaf pattern one by one on both the sides. Like this. Then taking back my card base and I'll start arranging the blue fillers along with the flowers. Then in between I am attaching some leaves which are made using 1/4 strip of light sap green and 1/4 strip of dark sap green color. These are simple teardrop shapes, and also I have created some scrolls which I am going to add randomly. Then adding the sentiment Happy Teachers Day in one corner, and the gorgeous card is ready. The color combination is looking very lovely. Blues are looking so pretty in front of light green. So in this way you can create beautiful cards with the weaving techniques for your teachers, and also you can use these card techniques for other occasions as well. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. I am waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.